Hey mate, I need your favor. Oh, what's the matter? Actually, I have some words, but I'm not getting understand that what's the exact pronunciation of these words. So can you tell me the exact pronunciation according to the British accent? Because I'm really interested in this one and you are also speaking British accent, so can you teach me the exact pronunciation of these words? Why not? You can learn a lot of things to me and it's my pleasure to teach you. Sounds great. Now I'm gonna speak one word and you have to correct me, okay? Alright. So my first word is photography. 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 Restaurant. Restaurant. Privacy. Privacy. Specific. Specific. Political. 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 Onion. Onion. Pronunciation. Pronunciation, not pronunciation, it's a pronunciation. Particularly. 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 Executive. Executive. Penchant. Pension. Hierarchy. 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 Bicycle. Bicycle, not cycle, it's a sickle. Bicycle. Vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetable, not vegetable. Tortoise. Tortoise. It's tortoise, not tortoise. Tortoise. Biology. It's biology, not biology. Biology. Psychology. Psychology. Saturday. Saturday, not Saturday, it's a Saturday. Thursday. 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 You need to make th sound like this. Thursday. Wednesday. It's Wednesday, not Wednesday, it's a Wednesday. Analysis. 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 Analysis, not analysis, it's analysis. Represent. Represent. Brochure. 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 Hotel. It's hotel, not a hotel. It's a hotel. Oh my gosh, your pronunciation is too awkward. Yeah, Matt, I know that. That's why I'm just learning to you. Entrepreneur. 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 Advertisement. Advertisement. Advertisement, not advertisement. Preface. Preface. Chows. What? Chows? No, it's not a chows, it's a chaos. Chaos. Interpret. 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 Superior. It's superior. Superior. Proficient. It's proficient. Proficient. Priority. 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 Pervert. It's pervert, not pervert. It's pervert. Inspiration. Inspiration. Informative. 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 Mischievous. 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 Driven. Driven, not driven, it's driven. Professor. Professor. Minority. 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 Prayer. Prayer. Prior. Prior. Obstacle. obstacle, despicable, 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 monetary, 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 superstitious, superstitious, deliberately, deliberately, phonetics, fanatics, buffalo, 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 isle. OMG, you are totally mispronouncing the word. It's not a isle, it's a isle. Isle. What? Isle? Are you kidding me? No, not at all. I'm just telling you the right pronunciation. Alright. Curriculum. Curriculum. It's curriculum, not curriculum. It's a curriculum. Mediocre. 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 Swaddle. 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 It's not a swaddle, it's a swaddle. Downtrodden. 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 Sacred. 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 Not sacred. Sacred. Colonel. Colonel. It's a colonel. Colonel. Not a colonel. It's a colonel. Champagne. 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 Oh Bilal, you have to concentrate on your pronunciation because your pronunciation is too awkward. So please. Yeah mate, I'm trying, but I'm not getting understand that where I can get the exact and right pronunciation. Oh my gosh, when you have a friend like me, then why do you need to worry? Just go on the YouTube and search my handle British Accent 41 and you will get my channel in the front page. Just make sure that you have to subscribe my package so that you can get all the notification of my videos. Okay? Pardon me, which package I have to subscribe? Oh, I'm so sorry, you have to subscribe my channel, not a package. It was my mistake. Oh yeah, I forgot about you. Thank you. Thanks for your kindness. I really appreciate your kindness and I will search your channel on YouTube and I'll also subscribe because I also need for learning more pronunciation. Okay, and thank you for giving me this right pronunciation. Okay, have a good day. Oh blah, you don't need to say sorry and thanks to me because I'm your friend. Just be polite with me and it's my pleasure to teach you. Okay, have a good day, take care and bye bye.
My dear viewer, have you subscribed yet?